Hey, how's it going? This is Ryan Gass with PTP. I'm just returning this phone call from about an hour or two ago.
Yes, how you doing, sir?
Good, how are you?
I'm fine. I was calling because I am interested in getting a firearm license. I have one for Virginia, but I know there's no reciprocity in Maryland, so I wanted to just understand like what the process is, and so if you could walk me through that.
Sure, the short and sweet of it is you have to have the 2-day class. You have to have your live scan fingerprints done, and then also a passport style photo. And then you apply online for the license with the Maryland State Police. And it usually takes them right now about 8 to 10 weeks to process your application, and then you'll receive your permit physically through the mail from them.
Gotcha. Okay. And you offer the 2-day course, right?
Yep, absolutely. Yep, we have the class as well as the fingerprints and the photographs available on site.
Okay, so what's the price breakdown?
So the class for that is $350. It's actually usually $400, but it's on sale for $350 right now. But it's $350, and that covers everything you need for the class itself. The fingerprints are $90, and the photographs are $25. And then when you apply for the state for the permit with the state itself, they'll charge you $75.
Okay, for the actual application. Okay, cool. All right, so I should be able to go into your website and see the upcoming classes?
Yeah, absolutely. You mind me asking, what area do you live in?
So I live in the District Heights, but I was in Bowie today, and you put a flyer on my car.
Yeah, absolutely. Yes, sir. Yeah, so the closest to you in that area is going to be either Brandywine or Annapolis.
Oh, so it's district-based?
No, that's just like the location where we do the class. Because like the best way to describe it is like we're at the circus. We don't actually have a brick and mortar where you come to and train with us at our place. We go and we have classes all over throughout the state of Maryland. So yeah,
I see.
Yeah, so the closest location would be in either Annapolis or in Brandywine. And I will say we happen to have a class. It's a little last minute. We have one this weekend, and I tell you what, if you were able to make it to the class this weekend in Annapolis, I could get you another $50 off of that class.
This weekend. And what's the time frame?
8 a.m. until 5 p.m. Saturday and Sunday.
Yeah, I would have to plan for that.
Yeah,
that time
no worries.
span.
I got you. Yeah, but what I'll do then is this your cell phone?
Yes.
Okay, cool. So what I'll do is I will text you a link to our website, and I have all the details about that class, and I have all the dates and locations, and then you can also sign up on that link if you so choose. But if you need help getting signed up, you can always give me a call back, and I can help you out.
Perfect. Okay. Thank you so much, sir.
Absolutely. Thank you.
All right. Talk to you soon.
You too. Bye.
One more last question.
Yeah, absolutely.
What's the age range? Because I'm thinking about even like my younger brother. He's in his 20s.
Oh, that's fine. No, yeah. Like as 18 or older, can attend without obviously a parent and stuff. And anyone that's less than 18 can attend, but they have to have a parent accompanying them. But yeah, if they're in their 20s, they're perfectly fine.
Okay.
Yep.
Perfect.
Absolutely. Cool.
And I guess I'll get this information, but I was curious as to like there's different ranges in the area.
I'm sorry. Say again.
I'm also interested in just like some recommended ranges just in the area that you have.
You got in the general region, you got Maryland Small Arms, you got Fred's in Waldorf, and then you got an outdoor one in La Plata, which is actually the most affordable to use. It's Myrtle Grove. It's $5 for a day or $20 for a year. Most places it's $20 per hour, but it's $20 to use to have a year pass for them. The only thing there is though it's out in the elements and you got to bring your own everything. You know, there's nothing. They don't have any supplies there you can buy or rent at all. So that's the only thing with Myrtle Grove. But other than that, it's the most affordable though for sure.
Okay.
Yeah.
That sounds good. All right.
Cool.
Thank you very much. And do you have a projected date for like when you're going to be doing the next Brandywine?
I want to say, I think the next one is July 29th and 30th. Everything else in between now and then is sold out. Other than Annapolis, obviously.
July 29th.
Yep.
And you said everything is sold out between now and then time?
Yeah, everything between now and then is already sold out. So, but I'll see the link, and that'll have all the details about any available classes and all that good stuff.
Perfect. Okay. Thank you very much, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
All right. Have a good day.
You too. Bye.